Ah, merci. Okay. Okay, we're in. He gets this, it's on.
Ah.
You're gonna probably want to turn it off.
Okay. Well, I can't film and paddle, so we're just gonna have to. You drive, I film.
I gotta do work.
You driving and I'm filming. It could be the other way around. Look at you go. Boop, boop, boop. It is a little warm. It's toast.
We got one goat in a boat.
Toasting the goatsies.
Just one goat in a boat, though.
Rock the boat, don't rock the boat, baby. Well, all the water that's in the seat was splashing my butt just then.
Oh, my butt is sucking. Look at them paddling in unison.
Oh, should we try that? I have to stop filming to paddle in unison. You can also do your dive certification on this boat if you wanted to. Do all your PADI paperwork beforehand and come here and do all your water stuff on the boat and then go diving.
Okay, good morning. Welcome to day 2.
Trois.
Day 3.
Day 2.
Okay, right. Our French is not so French. And today's a sea day. We left Huahine last night.
Best day ever.
Yeah. And oh, where's there not a railing? Brave man holding my camera over the edge. Okay, when you're on the Paul Gauguin and you want your morning coffee, we remembered our cruise hack from last time, called room service, and ordered cappuccinos. They brought them to our door within about 10-15 minutes. So we can sit out here on our lanai and enjoy the morning like civilized humans.
Hi. Sorry. Internet's working.
On your cell phone like a civilized human.
No, the internet's really good right here, right now.
Oh, in this spot.
In this particular... Oh, no, now it's gone.
Okay, well.
Down to one bar.
We do have... one of the differences that they had is free Wi-Fi now. Last time you had to pay for it. This time, 4 years later, it's free. Technology. Isn't that wonderful? Mother Ocean is awfully calm today. Of course, when you're sitting, the camera is right... There's a railing right in my...
It's just that, yeah. It goes down this far, and then there's another bar. That'd be great.
Yeah.
Or smaller chairs.
Smaller chair, bit taller chairs, smaller chairs.
Smaller, just
Yeah.
wait a
I
few
don't know.
inches.
Taller, we'd probably drink too much and fall off of them. So shorter might be
Last night.
shorter might be better.
There may be a headache involved this morning. Just saying.
B-roll right there. There you go. Cranberry mimosas, pool floaties, sun hats. There's no belly sucking. I'm not an ace in a front guy. Boy, I tell you, we asked for extra pillows.
for sleeping, and we got some extra pillows. Look at that. It's just half a bed full of pillows.